In this video, we're going to show you how we set up our new super extra large stainless steel litter boxes using Cat Butler Pea-Based Cat Litter. To get started, you'll need 2 bags or 1 box of Cat Butler litter. Simply open the bags and pour the litter into the litter box. Then use the scoop to spread it out evenly. Our cats really appreciate the extra room these larger litter boxes provide, and they seem to love the feel of the litter too. And just like that, our new litter boxes are ready for the cats to try out. Look, we have our first customer. Applejack is here to test our new litter box setup. Isn't that exciting? Well, what do you think, Applejack? He seems to have plenty of room and is able to do his business comfortably. Of course, he didn't actually cover it up afterward, but that's okay. He tried. We prefer stainless steel litter boxes because they're easy to clean, resist odors, and last much longer than plastic boxes. They don't absorb smells or develop deep scratches over time, helping keep the litter area fresher for both cats and humans. Now let's take a look at the litter. See how well it clumps? And look how easy it is to scoop. That's exactly what we want in a litter box setup. And now we have our second customer. Kuromi is ready to give the new box a try. Kuromi does a fantastic job covering her deposits. Thank you, Kuromi. We appreciate your commitment to good litter box etiquette. After trying just about every litter on the market, Cat Butler is my favorite. It's plant-based, virtually dust-free, and does an excellent job controlling odor naturally. With multiple cats in our home, it's a litter we trust and use every day. Now it's time to scoop again. Wow, that was incredibly easy. The clumps stay together nicely. Cleanup is quick, and the box is fresh and ready for the next kitty to use. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing our new litter box setup in action. If you'd like to check out any of the products featured in this video, you'll find links in the video description or caption below. See you next time, and give your cats a little extra love from us.